The sculpture What If in the exhibition Deborah Roberts' I'm creates a moment of intimacy and also intense confrontation with the problems of systemic racism. In the artwork, which is structured after the model of a Catholic confessional, we are invited to enter two spaces. On the one, we are confronted with a mirror and an audio component, which allows us to experience what it is like residing within a Black body. On the other side, there is a video calling attention to the struggles experienced so often by Black women. On the back wall of the confessional appear the names of 400 Black women that have gone missing or disappeared. The intent, as Deborah Roberts described it with this artwork, is to live within these women's skin, to experience what they experienced in a moment that cannot be heard by anyone else.